Hello kids, in this video we learn how to draw and color new shape. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my channel. It is a black color. Kids, which color it is? It is black color. It is black color. Now balls. It is a 5-pointed star. It is a 5-pointed star. This is oval. It is 4-pointed star. It is right arrow. It is a symbol. Rectangle. It is a cylinder. It is 3D shape. Now let us know about the color name. This is dark green, brown color, yellow color, mustard yellow, blue, red color, violet color, fluorescent yellow, pink, sky blue, orange, light green, purple. Now let us color the shapes and symbols. This is red color. Five-pointed star, light green color. Oval, fluorescent yellow. Four-pointed star, blue color. Right arrow. Orange. It is a rectangle. It is 2D shape. It is pink color. This is 5-pointed star, oval, 4-pointed star, right arrow, rectangle, cylinder. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Bye bye.